Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted project in CapCut. So if you accidentally deleted your project, or you just delete your project but you forgot you need to re-edit your projects, so it's very easy to recover it. Just tap on library on your CapCut apps. You can scroll down and this is the trash. You can tap it. Here we go, this is the trash, and you can go to your space. The items moved to trash will appear here and be deleted after 30 days. So if you want to re-edit or recover after 30 days, you cannot do that because the file is automatically deleted. So this is how you can do it. And of course this is the local, and the locals will be the item of the trash, the local trash will appear here and be deleted after 7 days. Be careful. You need to upload into your space first in order to delete it after 30 days. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.